Hi, welcome back for another video. Today, I just want to touch on the key news, right? First up is actually JP Morgan analysts said Bitcoin price could sink even further. Crypto values unproven. This is not the first time JP Morgan actually has condemned Bitcoin, but let's see what they say now. Analysts at JP Morgan have predicted that Bitcoin could fall below $1,260 per Bitcoin, while banks will not benefit from blockchain for at least 3 to 5 years. Analysts from major global investment banks think that the true value of cryptos is still unproven and that they only make sense in a hypothetical dystopian event wherein investors have lost faith in major traditional assets like gold and the US dollar. Even in extreme scenarios such as a recession or a financial crisis, there are more liquid and less complicated instruments for transacting, investing, and hedging than cryptocurrencies. JP Morgan said that institutional involvement in the crypto market has slumped over the past 6 months, with individual traders making up the majority of the market. In its crypto report, the company claimed that using crypto for payments will remain challenged, adding that the firm was unable to find any major retailers that accepted crypto in 2018. Okay, I really have a lot of disagreement with this article. First, yes, now on the price, no one really knows, but fine, it may be really true because the price falling below to 1,000 or even less than 1,000 has been also voiced by other people before. Also, there was an article, right, a few days ago by Lucid Investments that says that yes, it has to fall below 1,000 before the market rally again, that it could even reach as high as $10 million per Bitcoin. So yes, if it does go that trajectory, I think it may be a good thing. But the next few points about crypto being like completely no value and only has a value in the event that investors have lost faith in gold and US dollar, I don't agree, because what happened was today, even in a lot of developed countries that's not experiencing hyperinflation like Venezuela and Greece, you have a lot of people, especially rich people, who are buying alternative assets like cryptocurrencies because they do see it first. You need to have an hedge, an alternative outside the system. Second, right, they do see it as a diversification tool that is very useful to increase their potential returns of their overall investment portfolio. So yes, there are people buying, right? And third, they said, the major retailers are not accepting cryptocurrency. That is so not true because, I think a few days ago in Japan, right, Rakuten, which is a similar like Amazon in the US, Rakuten in Japan are accepting cryptocurrencies now. And not only that, right, a lot of the crypto debit card, you can already spend a lot of that you can already buy coffee, McDonald's meals using a crypto debit card in just using cryptocurrency like that, right? Like I have a crypto.com, or formerly it's called Monaco crypto debit card, and basically I just top up the Bitcoin in there and I can spend it already, and we have done that in McDonald's Singapore. So I don't agree. Yeah. Next, Coinbase adds tax support resources for US customers, including TurboTax integration. Now, this is very good because, so what happened is that there were a lot of complaints about how do customers, how do they actually file tax returns for, especially in the US, where you have to report your, each transaction. How do you actually file the tax? What do you put in and what do you not put in? So now Coinbase is actually making it very user-friendly. They have actually integrated with a very major tax company called TurboTax. Basically, it is in their platform, in Coinbase trading platform, and then you just need to upload your transactions into either the retail, the web screen, right, or the mobile app that you're using, and then automatically TurboTax will help you to calculate your tax. So definitely very good news and very good move on Coinbase, right? Though I do notice that actually Coinbase, in relation to another, to a very newish exchange, which is Binance Exchange, Binance is making news like every few other days because they're just executing and always bringing good news to the industry. Like, for example, they recently have Binance Jersey, which is a new crypto exchange which accept fiat to buy crypto, because all along they started with a crypto to crypto exchange. So now they have expand their offering to accept fiat to buy crypto. Then also they have so many, how do I say, they have a very wide ecosystem. Like they have the finance academy, they have the research arm, they also have the incubation arm, which encourage a lot of people who develop new applications, new useful applications in this field. In comparison, I have to say Coinbase actually, their progress, or their what are the results that they are bringing to the table, right? What are they doing to benefit the crypto space is actually pale in comparison to Binance, unfortunately. But I think this latest news will be actually a good boost to Coinbase. Definitely, it will lock in a lot of their US customers. Yeah. Next, we have another company going into the crypto lending, because what happened was crypto lending was deemed to be very profitable. Because I think last year, or even early this year, there was a news article that basically said Genesis Trading, which actually offer crypto loans. Basically, they take cryptocurrency as the collateral, and then they give out loans. In just 9 months, that they're able to give out $700 million of loans, and the interest rate is about 8 to 10% per annum. So you're talking about they probably get, well, assuming it's 1 year loan, that they will get about 50 to 70 million just in interest alone. That's revenue. That's huge. I mean, 10% returns is very good, right? On a gross margin, that's really good. And the thing is, I also read though the tenure of this loan. That means the duration of the loan size is just short, very short. So it could be about 6 weeks only. So in that sense, so if 1 year is 52 weeks, so if you divide that over, so it's still not bad. They get about 10, no, like a few million. So that's still not bad. Anyway, the return is 10%, right? 8 to 10% on their gross outflow. That's very good returns, right, for any business. So the latest company looking to tap into this honeypot is none other than Galaxy Digital, who is founded by Mike Novogratz, who is a former Goldman Sachs partner. They're looking to raise, but this is not confirmed, that they're looking to raise $250 million to offer loans, right? So they're going to have a crypto credit fund. And the thing is, I think this is a very good move. I mean, apart from, of course, they will make their money. They mainly, who are they funding? They will be funding companies in this space who have capital crunch. So meaning, for example, like you see a lot of mining firms like Bitmain, right? Consensus having to lay off people, Shapeshift as well having to lay off 70% of their staff. So if they have access to lending, loans like this, so hopefully it can tide them over a bit longer, right, before they go bankrupt, or before they have to lay off a lot of people. So yeah, so I think it is good to encourage the growth of the crypto space as a whole. Yeah, but of course it is also very good news for people who just want to stake their crypto assets, right, to go into additional investments, right? So yeah. Next, another good news is that New York financial regulator grants bid license to Robinhood and Liberty X. So basically, with these two additional license, the New York financial regulator has now given approval to 16 firms in this space of digital currencies, which is very good news, because New York has been regarded as a very conservative and very restrictive regulator when it comes to cryptocurrencies, right? You do have already other states that are moving way ahead of New York, but New York is like the financial capital. So, it is about time that they make this kind of good move. So just to say, right, Robinhood has already been operating, but I think now they can operate in New York, which is very key because it is the financial capital. And now they have, permission to operate in New York, offering trading in several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. For Liberty X, so this is very interesting as well, because they allow their users to buy Bitcoin with debit cards from traditional ATMs. Again, they already operate in other states, but now they have it in New York. So definitely, I think it will increase the crypto adoption. So yes, definitely very good. And that's all I have for today. And yeah, I just want to give you the key gist, right? So let you quickly digest and go, right? And yes, hope you have a great day, everyone. If you like this, please subscribe and leave a like. And I will see you tomorrow. Thank you so much for your time.